Today we are talking all about being early, being ready, and being prepared. Most of our dancers know that I ask for them to show up about 10 to 15 minutes before class time. This is because we want to make sure that you are ready and prepared. I see sometimes dancers just run into class or show up at the studio about 2 minutes before class. And they come into class then either late or not mentally prepared, and I see them take the first 10 to 15 minutes of class trying to mentally be ready. For those who arrive early, I usually see a completely different mindset happen, which is why we encourage early arrival for any call time, no matter what it is. It's not just about us wanting to infringe on your time and taking up more than just class time. Dance is very mental, and there's more to it than just practicing the moves that we do in class. When we ask that you arrive early, you should be able to warm your body up. You should actually be warmed up before you enter any dance class. Whether you're training online right now or you're in a studio, you should have your body physically ready so that way when you do the warm-ups or bar work in class, you're able to better utilize that time instead of still doing that on a cold body. By doing this, this also allows you time to mentally prepare. This gives you a transition period between whatever stresses you have going on in the outside world to kind of close them out and zone in on what's about to happen for class. This gives you time to focus on your body during your personal warm-up, see what may need some work for the day, and prepare your muscles accordingly. This gives you time to also mentally think of what will be happening in class. So if you're getting ready for a ballet class, you can be mentally preparing for some of your bar work, setting goals for what you want to be able to accomplish by the end of your center work. All these different things should be happening before class. I myself arrived to class crazy early. I am a strong advocate for even when I'm training, I will oftentimes arrive about half an hour early, if depending on the scenario. Some studios, again, ask for the 10 to 15 minutes, and then we abide by that. It just entirely depends on what the scenario is. I also hear that some dancers think that turning the heat up in their car works as a warm-up. It does not. It gives you a superficial temperature, but it does not physically move your muscles in the fashion that you need for class. So when you're walking into the studio, that gives you your time to move, just like dancers who come in from other activities. We totally understand that there's other stuff going on, but the whole reason you should be warming up again once you get to the studio is because your body can actually cool down. When you're leaving track or basketball, you may have just done a huge workout, but the time it takes for you to travel to get to your dance class, most likely, your body will have cooled down. Not to mention the fact you will have had a different mindset for that activity, and you were engaging different muscles in different ways for that activity. We want to make sure that you're prepared for this one. So, all of this should be happening, like I said, within your warm-up time before class happens, so that way you are 100% ready to go and can make the best of your dance class. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow as we talk about keeping our dance bag in check. I will see you then.